everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairytale Flavor. I'm Celina and today I am showing you guys how to make homemade Oreo ice cream. It's super easy to make. You only need 3 ingredients. Before I get started, if you're new here or haven't yet, please hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new recipes, and I would love to have you here on the channel. And let's get started.
First, add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Beat the heavy cream until stiff peaks for about 5 minutes. Then add a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Then stir with a spatula for about a minute. Then add 1 cup of chopped Oreos and then stir together until fully combined. Then pour in a metal dish. Top the ice cream with additional broken Oreo pieces and then cover and freeze overnight.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys for your next video. Before you guys go, if you want to see some more quick and easy recipes, there will be one right here and one right below. And please click below to subscribe, and thanks again for watching. Bye!